Do you want to be able to add a swipe up link in your Instagram story? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can actually add it, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we're going to do firstly is to go into our Instagram app. So what you need to do first is to go into your Instagram app, and in here I'm going to click on the plus symbol in the top right corner. So click on the plus symbol. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says story. So click on story in here. And as you can see, I'm now taken here, which is great. In here, I'm just going to select what kind of photo that I actually want to have a swipe up link, or video, of course. So I'm just going to click on this one right here. And what I'm going to do right now is to click on the, like you can see there's a sticker symbol just in the right. As you can see, there's like a big A and a small a. As you can see, just to the right, there is this sticker symbol. So just click on it. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. In here, we need to search for link. So just search for link in here and then select this one right here. As you can see, now you're now able to actually write the link. I'm just going to write YouTube just to demonstrate for this tutorial basically. So I'm just going to write YouTube in here, and then I'm going to click on done in the top right corner. So click on done in the top right corner, and as you can see, you can even make it bigger and smaller if you want to, just by actually moving your fingers basically. So if you want to, like if you're done with the link, then what you can do is to just click on your story in the bottom left corner, as you can see. So click on your story. What will happen now is that this link will be shared to your story, and people that click on this link will be taken straight to it basically. So I'm just going to click on my story and then click on the link, then click on visit link, as you can see. And basically, yeah, it should work because I'm now taken to YouTube, as you can see. So basically, this is exactly how to add a swipe up link to your Instagram story. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.